I was kindly given by Christopher a huge pile of small and larger nuts and bolts. They were all rusty, okay, rusty. So I said, oh, okay. So what I did do is fill this up with vinegar, a gallon of vinegar, and left it for a couple of days, and then got the water running on it, hot water, to neutralize vinegar and everything else. Let it run for a while. Then I dumped it all out, the water, then dumped all the nuts and bolts onto that over there, cardboard, then rolled it on the floor, this kind of floor, malted up, let it all kind of dry up, put it in here with oil and applied air heat. I think they turned out great. There's a few tools in here that turned out fantastic, so no problem. Oh, file in here, still gotta get the paint off. But other things like drill bits and small nuts and bolts. Cleaned up great. I dumped the WD-40 on it a little while ago. So I'll put them in a can. Threads all turned out nice, yeah. Some threads. Yeah, everything turned out cool. So, you can see that's okay. No problem there. No more rust. Good old vinegar. And patience, I guess. It's a magnet, I think, yeah, so. Awesome. I'll put those away in a drawer or other container. Oh, good. Okay. I think that's the other container. This one looks rusty looking. But, okay. So I had fun doing that for a while. It didn't take long. As I said, you just take all of that and dump the vinegar on it, fill it right up. Sit for 2 days. Rinse with water for a while. You get all the vinegar, and then make sure it gets dry by spreading it all out on the floor, on cardboard to soak up some of it. Spread it around on the floor and keep drying it all, and dump it in here. Put it by a heater. Then apply WD-40. There you go. Next time you have a bunch of rusty nuts and bolts or other things, just use vinegar. I use cleaning vinegar. Okay, here we go.